Good afternoon, teacher. My vacation. Buga, my last vacation, my family and we went to the Buga city. It was so much fun. We traveled by car and ate lots of delicious food. We went to the Señor de los Milagros Shores. Buga is at a small city. I played lot with my niece. I bought the hair and ice cream. My niece is a girl very restless, but I love this girl. We visited the log El Sonso. This lake is located in the Buga municipality. When we went to the lake, we saw many beautiful birds. We also went with my girlfriend's grandparents in Almeria City. My grandfriend was very happy in the vacation. During the vacation, we had a lot. Advances. Parents, you should visit Buga municipality because it's very beautiful. The travel by car is very good because you can see the natural landscapes. You should go to Buga municipality with the family. The family is very important and travel with that is a sensational experience. Recommendation: you should wear sunscreen every day. You should wear a backpack. You must bring enough money. You should enjoy every moment. You should take photos. Then you take care at height up self read.